According to sources, vaccines prevent more than 2.5 million disease-deranged deaths each year. Vaccinations have been a medical controversy for years now. At first, vaccinations were seen as harmful, but their success has brought widespread acceptance, and a variety of large vaccinations campaigns were thought out. They are credited with highly reducing the incidence of many diseases in numerous geographic regions. Now that you know what my speech is about, I will begin telling you the positive effects that vaccinations have on children. Vaccines are safe and highly effective. According to sources, people tend to worry about the ingredients in vaccines, thinking that they are very harmful to a person's body. Thimerosal, aluminum, and formaldehyde are often used in vaccines and are harmful in large doses. However, the amounts used will not cause any harm to a person's body. It's in very small amounts. There's mass controversy over disease or illness getting directly put into somebody's body. They think that once it goes in, it's there and you're going to get sick from it, but really it's in that small dose and it will not harm you. It's preparing your body to protect you from the illness if you were to come encounter with it. According to the American Academy of Pediatrics, most of the child vaccinations are 90 to 99% effective in preventing diseases. Vaccinations help with a wide spread of illnesses most people don't think about, meaning it will help with preventatives because you never really think that you're going to come in contact with the disease, just as well as getting a flu vaccine or a vaccine. You don't say, oh, tomorrow I'm going to get the flu. You get it to prevent yourself from that. It's just a security blanket in the back of your mind, and it will help with stressing out about, oh, I'm going to get that disease. You won't, because you're going to be vaccinated. Now that you know some information about vaccines, here are some benefits to receiving them. There's a certain relevance to when you get a vaccine. There's a reason you get it, and there's a reason they recommend you getting it. It's for your own protection and your own well-being. People don't realize the severity the disease can cause. The disease that the vaccine is preventing, it can cause detrimental health effects to your body, and people don't understand that. Lifetime diseases could happen. The NFID states vaccines can mean the difference between life and death, meaning you get the vaccine and you live because your body fights it, or you don't get the vaccine and you come in encounter with the disease and you die. Disabilities can occur due to the illness that you are not vaccinated from, and a lot of people don't realize, but a lot of times if you get a severe illness, you need a lot of medical attention, and that can cost more than the vaccination itself. Now I will tell you exactly why anti-vaxxers are thinking. What are the opposing sides to vaccines? The illness is being directly inserted into a person's body. A lot of people don't understand why, as a little baby, your mother would put that into you, because she's directly putting the illness inside of your body. However, it's in small doses, like I said before, and it's not going to hurt you. It will just make you healthier in the long run if you were to come in contact with it. Side effects that could happen, some are minor, some are major. Some minor ones are headache, swelling, and joint pain. As you get the injection, that could happen. Some major ones are difficulty breathing, wheezing, and coughing. However, when you do come in contact with these symptoms or side effects, they are often very temporary and they go away within a few days. However, if you do come in contact with difficulty breathing, wheezing, or coughing, you should consult a doctor. However, they are very rare to have these types of allergic reactions to the vaccines. Although many people are not vaccinating their children, we have a lot to thank for vaccines. High-profile diseases are becoming non-existent due to vaccinations today. Children do not have to get vaccinated for smallpox anymore due to the fact that the vaccinations has caused the disease to become extinct. Now that the disease of smallpox is eradicated, it cannot reemerge. That is why if you go and you have a child, they will not tell you to get a vaccine for smallpox because it doesn't exist. Some of the diseases that are very rare now are due to vaccines, smallpox being one of them, as I stated before. Studies show that polio could be a next one that could be completely eradicated and never re-emerged again. Also, according to the Academy of Pediatrics, diphtheria is almost at 100% eradication due to the vaccinations. Now I'll tell you some of the resources you should use when deciding whether you should vaccinate your child. People need the right type of resources when deciding to vaccinate. A lot of people look at family and friends for a more valued opinion and meaning behind why they're not vaccinating their child. However, you should consult a doctor and a professional about it and view the risks and the pros and all that kind of stuff when talking about whether to not vaccinate your child. Dr. Gail Shust, a pediatric infectious disease specialist, states that immunizations cannot wait. The immune system can handle the vaccinations, and often people's reasoning as to why they don't get vaccinated is because they think it can't. They think that it will override your immune system and you will get the illness. According to the CDC, people often think they don't need to have vaccination because everybody else has it. They think that if they have the vaccination, then why would my child need a vaccination? Because the people who are carrying it won't have it to give to my child. It's like a win-lose situation. As previously stated in my speech, vaccinations are a win-win situation. People may find things wrong or little loopholes in the choice of vaccinating your child, but overall, the benefits far outweigh the risks. There are many things in favor of vaccines, such as protecting your child and helping our society to reduce the risk of an outbreak or other children getting illnesses. In conclusion, vaccines are a benefit to our society, a major security blanket for protecting your child, and many more things. Vaccines are for your benefit and not to hurt you.